Chapter 1 Physical World. Science is a systematic attempt to understand natural phenomena in as much detail and depth as possible and use the knowledge so gained to predict, modify, and control phenomena. Science is exploring, experimenting, and predicting from what we see around us. Physics is a branch of science. The word physics comes from a Greek word physic, meaning nature, and in Sanskrit it is called bhautiki. Thus, physics refer to the study of the physical world, that is, the study of the basic laws of nature and their manifestation in different natural phenomena. Scope and excitement of physics. To define the scope and excitement of physics, physics is categorized into two groups on the basis of magnitude of physical quantities involved in it, that is macroscopic and microscopic groups of physics. Macroscopic group of physics, it deals with the subjects included in classical physics. It consists of phenomena at the laboratory, terrestrial, and astronomical scales. Classical physics can be given as mechanics. It deals with the study of motion of particles, rigid and deformable bodies, and general system of particles. It is based on the law of gravitation and Newton's law of motion. Electrodynamics, it deals with the study of electric and magnetic phenomena associated with charge and magnetic bodies. It is based on the laws given by Coulomb, Oersted, Ampere, and Faraday. Optics, it deals with the study of phenomena related to light, working of human eye, telescope, microscope, etc. are studied in this topic. Thermodynamics, it deals with the study of the system in macroscopic equilibrium considering changes in internal energy, temperature, entropy, etc. Microscopic group of physics, it deals with the study of constitution and structure of matter of every minute scale of length, that is at the scale of atoms and nuclei or even smaller than these. This group of physics can be studied under the subject quantum physics. Fundamental forces in nature. There are four fundamental forces in nature. Gravitational force, the force of mutual attraction between any two objects because of their masses, is called gravitational force. This force was discovered by Isaac Newton. Electromagnetic force, the force associated with charged particles, is called electromagnetic force. This force was firstly discovered for charges at rest, that is, for like charges force is attractive and for unlike charges force is repulsive. Strong nuclear force. Nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Protons being positively charged could repel each other and collapse the nucleus. Gravitational force is negligible compared to electric force to overcome the repulsion of protons inside the nucleus. Thus, a new force came into existence known as strong nuclear force. Weak nuclear force. This force appears only between elementary particles involved in nuclear processes of radioactivity like beta decay of a nucleus. Etc. In beta decay, the nucleus emits an electron and an uncharged particle called neutrino. Comparison between four fundamental forces. Gravitational force, relative strength 10 to the power minus 39, range infinite, operates among all objects in the universe. Weak nuclear force, relative strength 10 to the minus 13, range very short, subnuclear size approximately 10 to the power minus 16 meter, operates among some elementary particles, particularly electron and neutrino. Electromagnetic force, relative strength 10 to the power minus 2, range infinite, operates along charged particles. Strong nuclear force, relative strength 1, range short, nuclear size approximately 10 to the minus 15 meter, operates among nucleons, heavier elementary particles. Thank you very much.